I know I can sort of leave the responsibility to you because you have yourself witnessed what is there, the vibrations and the goodwill of the people that is here is very obvious. The traction for the party is excellent, and we are going by leaps and bounds, and we could feel it ourselves. It's not a mere sense of euphoria, but actual palpable feelings, and you would have heard people shouting, the job is done, we have won, is what they say. And these are not just party workers who are saying it. Common people who are witness to this change are wishing that it would happen and are wishing us well with loud cheers.
Yeah. No, actually, you said that in case of an hung assembly, what in hung assembly is going to take place in Tamil Nadu? What will be your stand of MMK? Will you support DMK or AIDMK?
Both are not support worthy. That is my statement. It is a very sad state of affairs if people have spent their money that way. They shouldn't. They should make a decisive move towards better politics, which means do not leave the assembly hung. Please come and vote. There are people who need to vote. It will become a hung assembly only when you leave it to the two-party loyal voters to vote, because they will buy it or pressurize them to vote. The new young people have a very great responsibility, and they should prove their point now, and there will not be a hung assembly if they move in.
In 2019, you had secured on 3.9% votes, in fact, vote share, in fact. What will be your expectation in this coming election, in fact? What will be your share?
Our expectation is to win. So that is the expectation. And talking about the past is not worth it. You can call us a nascent party. I was a 3-year-old when I did Kalathurkandama. But today what you are seeing is an actor who is 66-year-old and is gone into politics. Growth will happen. Time will not pass us by without any incident. And the time that has passed has lifted Makkal Neethi Mayyam to lofty heights. And now we have to deserve the height that they have put us up in.
Which sector of people are targeting, like youths or the people, common man?
I am targeting the upliftment of the poor. My target is not people or votes. My target is the opportunity to serve the constitution, the robust constitution which people like Ambedkar, Gandhiji and all vetted and okayed, where even the last denominator in the population will be benefited.
As of now, what is some election manifesting? The opinion poll says that the DMK is going to win, and you are going to secure 2 to 5 seats with a 7% vote share. That is an opinion poll reports.
See, I cannot answer for wishful thinking. Everybody has wishful thinking. Everybody has this hopes that this should happen. That is what they think should happen to us. But what people think is something else. What DMK thinks is for DMK. What people will think is for people of Tamil Nadu. And that will give you a different number. I'm very sure these people will decide it.
Now, after elections, what will be your plan? Will you commit to movies or will you run the party?
It depends on what kind of a job they give. Whatever I've committed, I will finish. Whatever job I take up, I will not leave unfinished. Be it the job of a MLA, Chief Minister, or a opposition party leader. Whatever it is, I will do it. MGR, after being a MLA, did many films. So I don't know why it is asked of me and why they're making it sound like I'm Dr. Hande, who was MGR's minister, practiced as a doctor even after becoming a minister.
In your manifesto, you have very quoted about the NEET exam is one of the serious concern for the people like that, and you're going to get seat. Can you explain it about what is seat?
Yes, I think it is an alternative plan. That's all. Instead of saying we'll ban something that has been promulgated by the central government, which is not possible. It's an empty promise by Mr. Stalin when he says that we'll make it disappear. It won't. It's a passed bill, and you cannot change it like that. But as a government, as an autonomous government, and as a part, we are moving towards the federalist form, where we will have the right to decide our educational policies.
Right now, you're doing a very good election campaign across the state. In fact, what is your comment about this minister's corruption charges?
No, they have to be sent to jail, for which the police will have to be more active. That the raiding should not be done for political reasons, but for punitive reasons. Once you do it that way, these guys will live in a house which has a good view of the outside world, because it won't have walls, it will have bars.
Recently also there was an IT raid, in fact, do you think this is all the political vendetta or political...
We don't know. Let the IT department speak for it. I trust the IT department, and I think, like me, there are many people in the IT department who are honest, and we have been having a good liaison, and they will, if anybody is found guilty, they will be punished according to law. And Makkal Nidhi Mayam will also not promote or support anybody who is proven to be guilty of a crime. We will not stand by it. Whereas DMK stands by a man in whose house bundles and bundles of money is found. They have not rejected him. They have taken him again, given him seat. His son is given seats. He is now exalted. He holds an exalted position in the party. That's the difference between the what they call corrupt conglomerate called ADMK and DMK, and an honest, nascent, recent party called Makkal Nidhi Mayam.
As of now, all the opposition parties are blaming that Kamal Hassan is a victim of BJP.
Now that is something they want to paint. I think you are also continuously following that word and falling prey to a bait that they have put. If at all anybody is a B team, wait to see the results. They will rush behind wherever success is, and they will change the color of their skin. They are turncoats, and they have proven it many times before in history, and they'll prove it again. And I don't have time to disprove their false claims. They are lying, and I will disprove their claim by acting upon the job given to me.
But yesterday with Vanavi Srinivasan, your opposition candidate, had given a message stating that you are the guest of Coimbatore and is the gesture to give a basket of fruit.
Every human being is a guest of the world. They'll have to leave one day or other. Yeah. You cannot take those logics as in a participatory electoral politics. There is no outsider. An Indian is an Indian. Gandhiji is not Gujarati. He is my father.
Okay.
So that's how it operates.
So do you think the crime against women, how do you think about the crime against women? Because the DGP has now been suspended, in fact, because of the same. How do you see this, in fact? Is Tamil Nadu safe for them?
Because crime is supported by the powers that be. If you support crime, then they know that there is no punishment at the end of the road. So anybody will dare to do anything, whether it's a police officer or the rowdy on the street. They will dare to commit a crime because they know that there won't be a punishment.